Hi there, welcome to another exciting Tile Mart episode. I'm Julee Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. Today, continuing our Stone Essentials series, we're going to explore two of my favorite trending stones from Tile Mart's Rockmount collection, Slate and Travertine. Are you ready to rock and transform your exterior home and outdoor spaces into your personal design haven? Well, Tile Mart's got you covered. First up, we have Slate, showcased in Tile Mart's Rockmount stacked stone panel. Renowned for its durability, Slate is an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor applications, such as backsplashes, fireplaces, exterior walls, and your floors. Its unique, natural look features a beautiful blend of deep greens, browns, golds, grays, and hints of rust, making a bold statement with earthy and warm color tones. The natural variations in color and texture of these slate panels bring a distinctive character to any space, seamlessly blending with both traditional and modern design styles. Next, we have Travertine, showcased in Rockmount Travertine stacked stone panel in the Philadelphia Splitface. Travertine, a form of limestone deposited by mineral springs, is renowned for its warm, porous, and pitted texture. This versatile natural stone has been used for centuries in architecture and design, from ancient Roman buildings to modern homes. Travertine is celebrated for its timeless, old-world charm, making it a popular choice for both traditional and contemporary designs. It's perfect for enhancing features like garden walls, columns, and other outdoor elements where you want a refined look. Both materials are part of Rockmount collection and offer a split face finish that provides a fantastic textured look, ideal for creating depth and visual interest. When choosing between Slate and Travertine, you'll want to consider the climate and the specific outdoor conditions they'll face. As for styling, both can dramatically enhance and elevate the appearance of your outdoor spaces. Pair them with some outdoor furniture in either a natural wood or metal to accentuate their rustic qualities. And remember, lighting is so important. Strategic placement of lighting will really highlight the unique features of the stone in the evening. Whether you're leaning towards the bold and rustic appeal of California gold slate or the soft, elegant touch of Philadelphia Travertine, both of these will ensure your outdoor spaces are nothing short of spectacular. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tips, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next time.